to do the plucking is like this. Coming from the key of C. Okay, this is key of C. Alright, key of C. You can use your thumb right there, changing from 5th to 6th string. Okay, see my ring finger there? And then my thumb is just doing like that. So when you do the plucking, okay, watch. I will make it slow. Look, thumb, middle on the 2nd string, thumb, 2nd string, middle, and then index on the 3rd string, and then either ring or pinky. You can use either ring or pinky for the last string. So it sounds like that. That's how I do it. I don't know the others, but this is how I'm more comfortable doing it. Look, thumb, middle, index, ring, or pinky. I interchange from the last string, the ring or the pinky. I will make it slow. And then on the key of C, you can do see that ring finger right there from my left hand. Alright, that's how you do the plucking.